projects are not getting less complex. Timelines are not expanding. With the globalization of business, projects will only get bigger and more complex. The 30-month schedule on the St. Joseph Hospital project meant that it had to be one of the fastest hospital builds ever in the U.S. Being able to see Mortenson Construction and their project partners work together made it clear that collaboration through technology is truly changing the culture of how teams interact with each other and how complex projects are executed successfully. People are sharing information in clearer ways. They're getting relevant input sooner, and all project stakeholders have access to the right information at any time. Because there is a single source of truth, they're making informed decisions faster. This way of working is not the future. It is today. This is how Mortenson does business. This is how innovative teams meet the demands of complex projects.